The action model airdrop is now live, and in this video I'm going to show you guys basically how to start up, sign up, and start earning points right away. And now the points you're going to earn in action model is already converted to LAM, which is going to be the token for the product at the end of the day. And the most beautiful part is the ActionFi, which is partnership with other projects that would also bring lots of earnings to the participants as started today, which I'm also going to show you guys later on in this video and how to complete the task on there. But anyways, guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Enoch Okedere and welcome to another airdrop video. So of course, as you guys can see on the screen, I've now put in the link to start up with action model. So we're going to click that right away. We're going to continue with Google because that is pretty easy for us. And as you guys can see, we are live. So we're just going to pick my name here, Okedere, and then submit. Let's see, the name is still, of course, very used. It's still open. And as you guys can see, everything is set, right? Everything is set. So if you have ethos, you can verify with ethos, but you don't need to worry about that. Once you can use the link, which I'm going to put in the description below, you do not need to have anything. You can get in directly. So we're going to submit. As you guys can see, it's already here, okay, which is the code. So we're going to submit it. And with that way, you can get in directly. Good. So now we are now on the home page and it's saying actionist, reseller, and so many things. But before we go into all of it, there's so many beautiful things about action model, which I'm going to show you guys right away. You can see we have get started here. We also have something called ActionFi. We have ActionFi, which is where you're going to participate in other products and make money from doing tasks on other products, right? And you also have Actionist. So Actionist is basically the one that it controls your system for you. But before we even go into it, what is action model? So we always talk about LLMs, which are like ChatGPT, Claude, DeepSeek, and the rest. And we talk about large action model. So action model is a large action model, so LAM. But I don't want to bore you with any of that because you don't need to worry yourself too much about that. We're here to do the tasks, and that's what we're going to start with. So the next thing is install the browser extension, right? So we're just going to click on download, and it takes us directly straight to this place, action model. You can see it's rated 4.9. It has 401 ratings. Perfect. So with 80,000 people are already using it. So I think we're still very early, right? So add to Chrome. And then we click on add extension. As you can see, it's now up here. It's now there. So we can now open it and then pin it so that we can always see it, right? Good. Now, as you guys can see, it's started, right? So we're going to click, you can see, you can find an ActionFi bounty, which is the one I told you guys earlier about different products coming out here, or you can train in background, right? So we can find ActionFi bounty, but for now, we're going to just click train in background so that it starts because we're still going to the ActionFi place later. Now you can see we already earned 10,000 points for participating. So it's there. As soon as you start it, it keeps earning for you continuously. So it is learning from everything you are doing on your computer, right? So we've done that. So we're going to click continue. Train and earn rewards. You also need to watch this video as well. Own your privacy. You continue. Boost earnings with ActionFi bounties. You can watch the video as well. It's a 1 minute 27 second videos. Discover workflows and build and publish workflows. So these are the things you can watch. I mean, you can watch it to get a good idea of everything. But then we are going to do that as well, right? Now, if you're watching the video, you can just put it on 4x so that it can play very fast and you can complete these tasks very fast, right? Or you can just open each page. You can open like seven Google Chromes and then you put all of them at 4x so that you can just watch everything really fast. So in case you do not need that, the onboarding videos, right? But that's basically how you can just do it very, very fast. So now, as you can see, I'm just clicking continue. And that's it. We are done with getting started with action model. So now this is our dashboard. Today's earning, we've earned 10,000 points. Our total earnings, 16,000 points. Points earned this epoch, and we've earned 10,000 points this epoch, and we have 5 days, 5 hours, 25 minutes remaining for this epoch. And we're currently in epoch 8. There's around 4 epochs to go. So you still have a lot of time to get lots of points. So as you guys can see, we're currently here on tier 1. The more tasks you complete, the more referrals you bring in, you go all the way to the next tier, next tier, next tier, next tier, and you start earning more points, right? Based on points, we also have the root points. Now, this is where you start from. The more points you earn, you go up and you get more boosts. Currently, we have only a 5% boost. When we go all the way, when we earn another additional 34,000 points, as you can see over here, then we're going to have a 10% boost. Then we go all the way to leaf, we go all the way to branch. You can still see all, so every forest and then evergreen. So the more points we earn, the more multiplier. Now, as you can see, epoch 8, 1.3x multiplier, epoch 9, 1.25, epoch 10, 1.28, epoch 11, 1.1x. So now it's also very nice to know that it doesn't matter how late you join as well. All you need to do is you grind your tasks very well. You make sure your plugin is connected. That's the extension is connected. And if you're doing a lot of things, you'll be earning more points over and over, right? And then all the way to quests, which is a very beautiful place to earn lots more LAM, as you can see. Now to the most important part, which is ActionFi. Now, ActionFi is basically when other products come onto Action Model, and then you can complete tasks on those products for a prize pool. Currently, the big one here is SIXRcricket.com. And as you guys can see, 100K in rewards is going out to participants. And you can see as well, it will give a 10x boost, right? 10x boost, 24 tasks, and 100K in reward. So now we're just going to go back. First of all, this is it. There's also another one over here, Sweep Finance, 10K in rewards to the participants, right? And this one is going on for 60 days. As you can see, the timing is, yes, 60 days, 5 hours, 15 minutes till the end of this campaign. More tasks will be coming out, and you're going to see more and more tasks that you may love to participate in. But of course, in my opinion, I'm going to do all of the tasks so that I can get loads of multipliers, loads of points, and be positioned for the airdrop at the end of the day. Now, you can come over to training history. You'll see everything you've done. As you can see, the background one is running. It says in progress. It is calculated, which is the extension I have over here. So that one keeps running, keeps going, keeps earning points for you. So you could even be sleeping and you're already earning points. But of course, you want to earn more points so that you can be in a very positive position at the end of the day. So for now, that's everything I want to share. If you have any questions, make sure you comment in the comment sections or join our Telegram channel. There, we're going to be answering every questions about Action Model. And of course, make sure you join the Discord channel of Action Model. It will also be in the description below. And of course, follow them on X as well, which is Twitter, so that you can get updated first. But of course, I would also be bringing more updates, you know, as time goes on. And probably the next video will be a completion of the 6-hour cricket task, and I'm going to show you guys how I completed all of it. So of course, thank you so much for watching. Once again, if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you smash that subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.